take my words back. Take my word. Oh, I've got to swallow the lot. I've got to swallow the lot, Robert. Take over, please help me. Help me, Robert Croft. Right, we're down to the last ball. 4. A boundary 4 wins it for Lancashire.
If he hits direct, there's a chance. But he doesn't. And it gives Lancashire a chance. Can you hit the shot of your life? Is it in your bag? Have you got the driver out?
Can you get a filthy edge? Can you do anything?
Third is up. I keep saying, tail enders. It's their best shot in the book, hitting it the third man.
It's got to be a slower ball. If third and fine leg are both up, it's got to be a slower ball. Just getting confirmation here. James Vince wants to know from the umpire, what happens here? What happens here if there's a 4? He's just been told. He's just been told that Lancashire win with a 4. What an end. What an end to Vitality Blast Finals Day. 1 ball remaining. 4 required by Lancashire.
All these matches, all the miles travelled up and down the country, all the meetings held by all the coaches. Here we go, last ball.
Gleeson on strike. Ellis, ball in hand. We think slower ball. We think slower ball, Gleeson. What have you got? Ellis, what have you got? That's what you've got! That is what you've got, Nathan Ellis! Rips a Yorker through, past the batter, Gleeson. Hampshire, 3rd time Vitality Blast champions. They add to their titles from 2010 and from 2012. And they are champions once again in 2022. The fireworks begin, the celebrations begin. Oh my goodness. Oh, take my words back. Take my word. Oh, I've got to swallow the lot. I've got to swallow the lot, Robert. Take over, please help me. Help me, Robert Croft.
Have a rest, Dooley. Have a rest. Sit down. You cannot believe this. There were celebrations. There were high fives. They were cuddling each other. They were half lifting the trophy. But umpire Lloyd has to pull them back because it's a no ball, which now ends up as a free hit. Now the moment of realization. The cup was in your hand, but it's not just yet. The game that just keeps on giving.
Oh my goodness. We've got to wait for the smoke to clear. We've got to wait for my voice to come back. What's Lanky doing? He doesn't want to know.
Oh no.
Wow. Just keep your foot behind the line. Nathan Ellis. We thought, I thought, they thought, everybody thought it was done.
They had the champagne in their mouths already, didn't they? It's hard to believe. That's pressure again. How many times will he have bowled a delivery? He stayed behind the line all this evening. But that last moment, he's striving for just that little bit more. He wants the Yorker. He hits the stumps. He takes off. They all get together. Oh, no. It's a game of inches, Dooley.
Oh, I can't quite believe it. I cannot quite believe it. Graham Lloyd calls him back. I guess it's fitting, isn't it? We had a gorilla win the mascot race and now we've got the mist. We've got to wait. We've got to wait for it to clear.
That could take till about 5 o'clock tomorrow morning. I'm not staying here for that. Come on, get on with it. Come on.
Lanky, what's going on? His heart can't cope.
Right.
Okay.
What's the cunning plan?
No, it's a free hit. You swing for the bleachers.
Where's the field going to go?
I can't see them. I can't see where the field's going.
I still think that third and fine leg are going to have a big part to play in this right now.
Well, I tell you who's not going to have a part to play. It's the bloke running the fireworks. He's fired them all off. I don't know what I'm going to say now if Hampshire win again. I've used all them up. Right, we're back on it. Nathan Ellis. Free hit. Right, here we go, we're back on. Ellis again. Slower ball, wonderful. Can they run him out? They're celebrating now. They are celebrating now. And they can celebrate now. It was a free hit. He swung and he missed. Did Gleeson. Ellis went with the slower ball. Made up for that front foot no ball. And it is the Hampshire Hawks. Oh, we have got more fireworks. Thankfully, it's the Hampshire Hawks that take it by just one run.